For 4 peak tanks, both in single and double skin tankers, the critical areas are transverse web frames and stringers due to corrosion. Also, ultrasonic thickness measurements, or UTM, of the steel plates and stiffeners should be taken, where specified in the ESP scheme, and elsewhere when the surveyor finds it necessary during the survey. The thickness measurement should be carried out in a systematic way, as described in the rules of the Classification Society. Such measurements are to be carried out by qualified operators employed by certified companies and using acceptable equipment. The thickness measurement report is to be verified by the class surveyor. Acceptance is based on a minimum thickness list worked out by the Classification Society. When more than 75% of the allowable thickness margin is found wasted in a certain area, the area is referred to as a suspect area and the extent of corrosion as substantial corrosion. The thickness measurements to be taken in such suspect areas are to be more extensive in order to record the extent of substantial corrosion. Areas of substantial corrosion are to be re-measured and evaluated by the class surveyor at the next intermediate survey, and further action taken as found appropriate. The company's reporting system may be dual function, one based on the ESP scheme and one according to the company's maintenance system. Regarding the ESP scheme, the owner is to update and maintain the hull survey report file on board the vessel, containing survey reports and other relevant documentation issued by the Classification Society. It's also a rule requirement for the owner to maintain documentation of inspections and actions carried out by the ship's personnel.